if you're in the market for a home with no stairs and main level living in the great city of Hoover, I have 3 homes that you need to check out. The first one is on Severn Way, and this home is a new construction home in Bradbury in the great community of Black Ridge. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, priced at $535,000. Hey guys, and this home has pickleball, a beautiful resort style pool, an amphitheater. The whole community of Bradbury is really cool. Another one you don't want to miss is 5825 Heather Way. This home is actually a 55 plus community home in Abington, which is also part of Lake Wilburn. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, priced at $599,900, and it has just over 2,000 square feet. And the third one is in Ross Bridge. Ross Bridge has some great main level living homes. This particular one is in Northampton. It's priced at $475,000. It's 1,700 square feet, and it's a 3-2. If you're in the market for a main level living home, give me a shout. I'd love to help you out. I stay on top of all of these great homes, and it would be my pleasure to meet you.